Hello, I'm Valsa Pulvera. So I will be teaching you lesson 3 and 4. And for lesson 1, I have some special guests that will be teaching you how to play your first rock beat. And they are Greg Garman of Selena Gomez and also Don Lombardi and Chad Smith.
Hi, I'm Don Lombardi, and you're going to be playing that exact same rock beat in just a few minutes. Both Greg Garman and Chad Smith, who is the drummer with the Red Hot Chili Peppers, will be helping me show you how to play that beat. It's used on hundreds, probably thousands of songs. But for right now, we're going to start just by tapping on our knees. You don't need a drum set. In fact, this lesson is for everyone. It doesn't make any difference what instrument you play. Keeping a steady beat when you're playing rhythm is everybody's job, whether you're in a rock band or in an orchestra. And if you're a drummer, it's your main job. So let's get started right now. We're going to tap our right foot, but I don't want you to be tapping it like this with your heel on the floor. Let's think about being in front of 100,000 people in a stadium, playing in a rock band. They're not going to hear you if you're doing this. So I want to get your whole leg going, where you're going to be coming down on the ball of your foot. So along with me, start tapping your leg, and I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to do it again right now, and Chad Smith is going to be playing. Join him and play along with him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, this might seem really simple. You're just lifting your leg and tapping the ball of your foot on the floor, but the bass drum is the foundation of a drum set. It's really important to keep that really even and really steady. So do it again with Chad Smith and see what it sounds like when you're playing in a band. Okay, now it gets to be a little bit more fun. We're going to add the right hand in on your knee. We're going to change the counting from 1, 2, 3, and 4 to counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just count along with me for a minute. Out loud, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you're going to play your right hand in your knee with everything that you're counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you're sitting at a drum set or we're pretending we're air drumming, the right foot we got the bass drum going, the right hand we're going to be talking about that being the cymbal, and then we'll add the left hand in a little bit, which would be the snare drum. So let's get this right hand going and counting out loud. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's go back to what we just did, playing the bass drum on 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I want to change the counting to the new way to count. So the bass drum's going to go on the actual number, and I'm going to be counting the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and now. Watch my foot. Be sure I don't go 1 and 2 and. Just play the actual downbeat or play the number. 1 and 2, keep going, 3 and 4 and, add your right hand in, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try counting another way. If it's easier for you, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Count with numbers now, 1 and 2. Now you got to be real careful that you're not doing this. 1 and be sure your foot's not going with your hand. Remember, you're playing 2 with the hand and 1 with the foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, what would that sound like if you were sitting behind a drum set playing with a bass player? That's going to be a fun way to practice it. Count out loud, Play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and along with Chad and the bass player.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.